Whirlpool dryer, no spinning or not starting. This is what we found here. You can hear it's super noisy as well. This is the bearing for Pulley, completely melted and broken through. We'll be changing that guy out as well as doing a vent or dry servicing. You can see that's burnt lint there, so always good to do it once in a while to avoid a dryer fire and prolong the lifespan of your appliance. Great, so yeah, everything's all cleaned up in here. All the lint and the shafts there are clean as well. We got the new Whirlpool dryer kit here. Comes with those rollers there, as well as the pulley. Oh, and there it is, that white one right there, which is going to be going in there and replacing the broken one. Alright, so yeah, everything put back together. You can see inside the drum spinning. Whoop. Heater's turning on. And another angle of the drum spinning. That's that pulley right there. Looking good.